Well, hello everybody. Here I am. I am on another trip. I am on a Sturgis motorcycle rally trip. And I'm going solo to the Sturgis motorcycle rally. So, I've already did a 1 day of travel. Right now, I didn't do any filming earlier today. So, I'm just doing this as the very first clip right now. And I am at Badlands National Park. Just spent a couple nights here, and got a dog barking over there. Oh well, this is real life. But take a look around the campground. I'll turn you around here. Whoa! I got the phone on the selfie stick, but I'm using the front facing camera. So. But as you notice, there's my motorcycle and my trailer. And it was a beautiful day for riding. It was a temperature-wise, it wasn't too hot. But this is the Cedar Pass campground. Just slowly to look. See the vantage point from right where I'm sitting at my campsite. Campsite number 54. The barking coming from that direction. And I don't know if it's in from the pop-up camper or the trailer over there further down. But, oh yeah. There, of course, there's my tent. But I really don't have much plans for the rest of the day. I'm just going to relax, basically. And it's going to be going to get a lot of things, hopefully see a lot of things and do a lot of things on this trip. I'll capture what I can, and I'll just do the best I can. I'll just wing it. That's the way I roll. So we'll see you later, and wait for the next clip. Yeah, I decided to take a little walk. I'm going to walk up to the Cedar Pass Lodge, so it's up that direction, and maybe the visitor center too. I'm not sure. And I'm going to see what the amphitheater program is tonight. It's kind of looking like it's overcast and there might rain later on. So I don't know if that will still be on, but I'm going to see what the program will be if it's not canceled or anything. And maybe I'll go to that, or maybe I'll just come back to camp and just sit around and relax. I need that anyways. Okay, just came out of the visitor center right back there, and I didn't even find out if there's a ranger program tonight at the amphitheater or not. But even if there was, I wouldn't be going. I'm just too tired. I'm traveling a lot. I didn't get much sleep this past week, so. And the Cedar Pass campground is a really nice campground. This is the campground and the lodge, and there's just this area here. And I was here before, and I made a detailed video of this area. I walked through the whole thing, and also went up on top of one of the Badlands mounds up there and looked at kind of like got a bird's eye view of it. And if I can figure out how to do it, I'll put a little link. It'll come sliding out up in this area if I can figure out how to do it. So you can click on that and watch that video and get a detailed tour of this area here. Really beautiful here. But yeah, when I was here last time, they were in the process of putting this sidewalk in. So now they got it completed and they got it lighted, and also got the benches here. But I'm not going to do a detailed detailed tour this time. It's really pretty much the same thing, but they've upgraded some things, like this path here, the sidewalk, maybe some things of the campground itself too. I'm not sure, but we'll see. If I see something interesting, maybe I'll just take a look at it. But right now I'm going to go to the Cedar Pass Lodge and have a bite to eat. And then I'm going to just go back to the campsite and dig out the chair and just sit there, relax. And I'm going to go to bed early tonight. And hopefully try to catch up on my sleep. I only slept like an hour and a half or maybe 2 hours last night before getting up early this morning and hitting the road, coming all this way. Well, I'm full, and I'm going to head back to camp now. And you sit down in a chair and just relax. Yeah, I haven't gotten much sleep this past week because there's an issue with my tooth. Had a really bad toothache, and I thought I was going to be able to put it off until after the trip, after I got back home, and it got more frequent and more intense. I decided, oh, there's no way that I could make it. It would just totally ruin my trip if I didn't have anything done. So just 2 days ago, I actually had the tooth pulled. It was a molar. It was way back there. So, but that actually went really well. I have to take antibiotics for like a week or so, but and also of course I'm taking for pain too. Just Tylenol and Advil, just normal stuff. But I'm only doing that like twice a day now for that. But the antibiotics I have to take 4 times a day until they're gone. So, but anyways, I wasn't able to sleep, with all the pain in my tooth. And then last night I had, and because I had all that pain, I wasn't able to get all my stuff ready for the trip. So it came down because I had to deal with that. So it came down to last night after work. I got everything pretty much ready. And I only had, like I said earlier, like an hour and a half or 2 hours of sleep total last night. And that's on top of hardly sleeping at all earlier the whole week. So I'm tired. I'm not even able to really think straight, talk straight or anything. That's why I'm not really making much sense. I don't think. But hopefully I'll get caught up in my sleep and kind of get back into the groove of doing video clips again. I think this is new from last time I was here. Yeah, I do not remember this at all. New pit toilets. Cool. This facility was improved thanks to your fee dollars. Thank you for your support. Cool. Okay. So maybe it was here, it's just improved it. Okay. I forgot where I was at. But anyways, I'll just head back to camp and play it by ear, whether I film or not. Hopefully I'll get better. Here's one of the improvements they did right here in the campground. You got a sidewalk here right over to the water. Pretty cool. Got a drinking fountain. Oh, no. Let's see how this one works. There we go. I'll fill my jug up later. Yeah, I'll get it later. But yeah, that's one of the improvements right here in the campground. But anyways, I'll head back to my campsite. Well, I made it back to the campsite. And I'm just going to sit here and relax. And I'm going to just take and end the video right now. I'm not going to do any more filming for the day. I'm just too tired and wiped out. And can't think straight or speak straight. And can't keep a train of thought. Oh, man. But anyways... as you can see, it's not overcast. Not the rain moved out. It never did really rain here. It just felt a few drops. Oh no, it's getting all choppy. Well, maybe the phone needs a rest too. But now it's really pleasant. It's got a little wind, but really nice actually. So thanks for watching this video. I didn't do a very good job today. I'm just wiped out, and it's kind of been a while since I've done any recording and videoing, so it might be a bit rusty too, but hopefully as the trip goes on and I'll get better. So thanks for watching.